All right, let's take a look at number 9 here on page 160. So we know with these parallel lines and this green transversal, these are consecutive interior angles, and they add up to 180. If we consider this transversal passing through the parallel lines, then these alternate interior angles are congruent. And these two equations together are our system of equations. In order to find the values of x and y, we need to solve the system. First, let's simplify this equation. We've got a 4 and an 8, which is 12. I'll put the 4x in front of the 6y just to be in alphabetical order. And now we'll subtract 12 from both sides. So let us go on the left, and we have 168 on the right. Similarly, let's take this equation and get the x's and y's on the left and the numbers on the right. We can start by adding 10 to both sides. And then let's subtract 3y from both sides. So then we have 6x minus 3y is equal to 12. All right, so our system of equations can be rewritten in a much friendlier format using these two equations. And now we'll solve the system using the elimination method. When we multiply both sides of that equation by 2, our new system, if we rewrite both equations now, our 4x plus 6y equals 168, and 12x minus 6y is equal to 24. Notice how the coefficients on the y term are exactly opposite of each other. So when we add these two equations together, left side plus left side, 6y plus negative 6y is 0, and we're left with 16x. And on this side, we're left with 192. And when we divide both sides by 16, we've got our x. X is equal to 12. And to find y, we can substitute it really into any of these equations. I'm going to just come right here because that's convenient. We have 6 times x, which is 12, minus 3y is 12. That's 72 minus 3y is 12. We'll subtract 72 from both sides. And then with 72 minus 72 is 0. That leaves us with negative 3y equals negative 60. So when we divide both sides by negative 3, y is equal to 20. This is how we do number 9. First we used the consecutive interior angle theorem, gave us the expression with 180. The alternate interior angle theorem gave us this expression. And then it was a matter of algebra. If the algebra is confusing to you, remember, at Google Classroom, for the October 11th posting, there is an assignment that reviewed algebra, and there is a link to solutions, and the solution to the algebraic system included practicing the elimination method and the substitution method, and had an extra example for you to try to develop your skills on. So you might want to go back to the October 11th posting and watch the solution on how to solve a system if this algebra perplexed you.